Hello, today in a video I will show you an overview of Clickbank. Here is the dashboard. Here you can see all your sales stats. You can see it 7 days, 30 days, 60 or 90 days. Here you can download all your stats or your sales data. Here are your tickets. Here are your transactions. Here is your vendor reporting, sales summary, subscriptions, days to cancellation, activity, stick rate, churn rate, trial, recurring revenue, revenue per user. Here are your refunds, refund trends, sale to refund, refund rate, chargebacks, account health contribution, product contribution, currency contribution, affiliate contribution. Here is funnel, AOV. You can see your average order value of your upsells, average order value of your product, gross sales flow, gross sales product, conversion rate trends, conversion rate, and you can see conversion rates on your order form. Affiliates, you can see top affiliates, their gross, top affiliates, their payout, gross sales, and payout you can see of all affiliates. Here you can see support and shipping reports, ticket analytics, clerk, shipping analytics. Accounts. Here you can find your nickname and when it's created. Here you can create an account, link an account. You will need to create a nickname when you sign up for a Clickbank account. Nickname is unique to you. Here you can see users. And this tab you will mostly time to be on this tab. You will spend the most time in this section. Here you can find all your products that you want to promote. On the left side there are categories of the products that you can promote. For example, here you can see arts and entertainment, betting system, business, computers, cooking, food, wine, e-business, education, employment, fiction, games, and so on. Or the second way you can find products is just to type your niche or the product that you're interested in a search bar, and from there you can find it. For example, I will go with business. On the left side you can set gravity number. Gravity number tells you about competition and how many people are promoting that product. The higher is score, the higher is competition. Then average conversion rate, you can set up recurring rebill, you can set up the amount that you want to every month get and to find products that does that. Then you can set date added to marketplace, specific date you can add. Then attributes, you can check Do you want your product to have upsells? Do you want your product to have physical products? You can check out languages. You can set up, do you want to be one-time payments or recurring payments every month to have commissions from that product when somebody buys, or do you want to be $1 trial? Then other things are, for example, you can check out, do you want to must have affiliate tools page, support for mobile traffic, affiliate require approval, and offer CPA commission, cost per acquisition. Here you can sort results by rank, by average or conversion rate, recurring, by gravity, low to high, high to low, and this is the number that they will pay you when somebody clicks on your link and buy. In order to promote products on Clickbank, you just need to click this promote button, and that will generate you hop link, and that is your affiliate link that you can promote. That's it for Marketplace. They have training. This is the Clickbank training about affiliate marketing. Settings, payment settings, you can set up how you want to be paid. For example, you can connect PayPal to your Clickbank platform, your profile, and support. And if you decide to sign up for Clickbank account, I have bonuses. Now I will show you. You will get a Clickbank book about affiliate marketing and how to properly do affiliate marketing, and you will get YouTube Authority, a book, also how to rank higher videos in search engines. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe.